Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you started using a new technological device such as a new computer or phone. You should say what device you started using, why you started using this device, how easy or difficult it was to use, and explain how helpful this device was to you.
The last time I started using a new technological device was when I purchased a new smartphone a few months ago. My old phone was outdated and no longer meeting my needs, so I decided to upgrade to a newer model. I chose this particular phone because it had all the features that I was looking for, such as a high-quality camera, a large screen, and a long-lasting battery. I also appreciated the fact that it was from a reputable brand that I trusted. At first, I found it a bit challenging to get used to the new phone. The layout and design were different from what I was used to, and it took me some time to figure out all of the settings and features. However, once I spent some time playing around with the phone and getting to know its capabilities, I found it much easier to use. One of the things that I love most about my new phone is how helpful it is in my day-to-day life. The camera is fantastic, and I'm able to take high-quality photos and videos of my experiences. The battery life is also much better than my previous phone, which means that I don't have to worry about running out of power during the day. Another feature that I find incredibly useful is the voice assistant. I can ask it to do things like set reminders, play music, or make phone calls, which makes it easier to multitask and get things done. Overall, I'm really happy with my new phone and how helpful it has been to me. It's made my life easier in so many ways, and I'm grateful for the technological advancements that have made these devices possible. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.